Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0792 relates to the intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit performance in 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic models. This specific error indicates that the CVT, continuously variable transmission, drive pulley speed sensor is not functioning properly. The sensor is crucial as it monitors the speed of the gear on the drive pulley and communicates this information to the Transmission Control Module, TCM, by sending a pulsing signal. This feedback allows the TCM to manage the functioning of the CVT effectively. If the sensor fails to send signals, or if it sends incorrect signals, various vehicle performance issues can arise, leading to complications in gear engagement and driving quality. By understanding the role of this sensor and the TCM in the overall vehicle operation, mechanics can better troubleshoot this error code. The error P0792 pertains primarily to the CVT drive pulley speed sensor. This sensor is an essential component located on the outer section of the transmission end cover. Its primary function is to detect the number of revolutions of the gear on the drive pulley. The CVT drive pulley speed sensor sends a pulsing signal to the TCM. This information is crucial as it allows the TCM to convert these pulses into an accurate reading of the drive pulley speed. Should the sensor not send any pulses while the drive pulley is rotating, it flags a malfunction, which may indicate issues with the wiring, the sensor itself, or the TCM's internal circuits. Understanding the placement and functionality of this sensor greatly aids mechanics in diagnosing transmission-related issues. Several potential causes may lead to the triggering of DTC P0792. First, an open NDR PWM line. A signal line used by the sensor can indicate a loose connection or disconnection, preventing proper signal transmission. A short to ground in the line can cause the sensor to send constant low signals or no signals to the TCM. The failure of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor itself can lead to incorrect or absent readings, directly affecting the vehicle's transmission performance. Additionally, internal circuit failures within the TCM may result in inappropriate readings or processing of sensor data. Identifying these causes accurately is critical for effective troubleshooting and repair of the transmission systems. Symptoms tied to DTC P0792 can manifest in several noticeable ways. The most apparent indicator is the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, which alerts the driver to a potential issue in the vehicle's operation. Alongside this, the shift position indicator may exhibit blinking, signifying that the TCM has detected an anomaly in gear engagements. Drivers may also experience poor acceleration response due to improper gear shifting, resulting from erroneous sensor data. This performance issue can cause difficulty in maintaining vehicle speed, particularly when accelerating from a stop. Recognizing these symptoms helps drivers and technicians to quickly pinpoint the potential problem areas, ensuring a more efficient troubleshooting process. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0792 involves initiating the vehicle's engine. Starting the engine sets the stage for further diagnostic checks and allows the TCM to begin monitoring the various input signals it receives. As part of this step, it's necessary to drive the vehicle at a speed of 19 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, or higher for at least 30 seconds. This action ensures that the transmission is under enough operational load, allowing the TCM to evaluate the sensor performance accurately. It is crucial to perform this check in a safe environment, adhering to traffic regulations, so that the technician can monitor the response of both the TCM and the CVT drive pulley speed sensor under practical driving conditions. Sticking to these operational standards significantly enhances the diagnostic process. In the second troubleshooting step, utilizing the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, is essential to monitor the vehicle systems for any anomalies. The technician must ensure that there is no electrical noise in the CVT drive pulley speed sensor output circuit, as electrical noise can lead to misleading sensor readings. Evaluating the output from the CVT drive pulley speed sensor is crucial. It provides insights into its operational status and any discrepancies that may exist. If the signals received by the TCM are erratic or outside normal ranges, the technician can narrow down potential problems, such as wiring issues, sensor failures, or even TCM circuit anomalies. This step is integral for confirming the original diagnosis and guiding further repairs, ensuring effective resolution of the DTC. After repairs have been completed to address the issues associated with DTC P0792, it is critical to conduct a final repair verification process. This process begins with clearing any diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS, which resets the TCN's memory. Following this, performing a test drive under similar conditions as previously diagnosed is essential to ensure that the repairs have been effective. During the test drive, the technician should monitor the vehicle's performance and the status of the DTC to confirm that the malfunction indicator light, MIL, remains off. If any discrepancies arise, further diagnostics may be necessary to validate that the components have been correctly addressed. This verification step encapsulates the repair process, ensuring that the vehicle functions optimally once again. While the diagnostic text does not explicitly mention preventive maintenance, adhering to scheduled maintenance practices can inherently reduce the likelihood of issues like DTC P0792 arising. Key elements include regular inspections of the CVT system alongside the entire electrical network of the vehicle. Routine checks on fluid levels and the condition of connectors involved with the CVT drive pulley speed sensor can prevent circuit-related failures. Additionally, timely software updates for the TCM can enhance functionality and prevent the occurrence of DTCs. By instituting a proactive approach to vehicle care, owners can minimize risks and maximize the reliability of their Honda Civics transmission system. In summary, DTC P0792 refers to a malfunction of the intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit, primarily linked to the CVT drive pulley speed sensor's performance. Recognizing the impact of this error on vehicle operation and understanding the role of related components is vital for effective diagnostics. Symptoms include the illumination of the MIL and the blinking of the shift indicator, surfacing during operational checks. Troubleshooting steps comprising engine start and monitoring through the HDS assist technicians in confirming the errors. Finally, careful attention to preventive maintenance can help in mitigating these issues in the future. By following this guide, Honda Civic owners and technicians can ensure their vehicles operate efficiently and reliably. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.